Good day, teachers. Google Slides is so much better than it used to be. I am going to demo two new features in Slides that are greatly improved. And then, for my big ta-da, I'm going to show you how to make an instant slide deck in School AI. All of the newest features in Slides live over here on the right-hand side. And you will remember that for a long time, Slides has had a very limited template choice, and now there are hundreds of templates from which to choose. And once you do select a template, you can click on just one slide if that's the only thing that you want, or you can do insert all slides and get the entire deck and then work from the deck. Building blocks is the next thing down, and there's not really a lot in there that is specifically designed for education, but the next one, which is the images, stock and web, is where you'll find lots of great new things. So let's search for an image to put on our slide about pulleys. I'm going to leave the filter set to all so you can see what is there. It will pull up stock images, which you are free to use as you like. There's not a copyright issue in any way with those. GIFs, stickers, which are fun and kids love. And then finally, a real Google image search, which will give you a lot more results, but those are not stock images, so they would not necessarily be free from the constraints of copyright. Let's take a look at some of the stock images. If you hover over an image, you'll see an eyeball, and the eyeball will let you preview the complete image. If you like what you see, you'll see a button, and that will drop the image onto your screen. You can also filter for the different sizes and shapes. For example, maybe I wanted only a pulley that was shaped in a vertical way. GIFs. Let's use our kitty. And let's look at stickers. These are just fun, pointy things. Okay, so now we've got a slide with a lot more engaging images on it, but how did I get this awesome slide deck that I have here about simple machines? Well, I made it instantly using Dot in School AI. So I went to School AI and I told Dot that I wanted a slide deck for third graders. I went to our curriculum guides. I copied the SOL itself. I pasted that in along with a list of vocabulary words that go along with that particular SOL, and then I used the power up in Dot. These are a list. These are all the power ups that there are. I use Presentation Creator, and then this is the presentation that Dot made me. And there are some template style choices. Of course, it is not perfect, but it's given me a great head start. I mean, it did like 80% of the heavy lifting, so I can use my professional knowledge to edit each slide, add images, GIFs, and videos to make the deck more engaging. It even gives me some ideas of what are the visuals that I might like to use. You can also make instant slide decks in all of the following: Gemini Canvas, Canva, Notebook LM, and Pear Deck. And if you're curious about Gemini Canvas, I prompted this one with just, hey, make a slide deck for simple machines for third grade. And this is the product that Gemini came up with. Have a great day, everybody. And remember, be brave, be kind, and do good work.